Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. We head to some more from the press briefing from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin. Now, annual inflation as of July was 6.6%, and that's just outside of the central bank's target range. Director General of Statin, Carol Coy, says this was linked to higher food prices,
which increased by 11.3%. Restaurants and accommodation services, which went up by 12.4%. Furnishings, household equipment, and routine household maintenance, which went up by 11.3%, and housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels, which increased by 1.4%.
Now, the BOJ's target range is 4 to 6%. July's point-to-point rate is just above June's annual rate of price increases, which was 6.3%. Meanwhile, for the month of July alone, inflation was 1.1%.
Influencing the inflation rate was a 2.3% increase in the index for the heaviest weighted division, food and non-alcoholic beverages. The rise in the index for the food and non-alcoholic beverages division resulted mainly from a 9.9% increase in the index for the class vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. The prevailing drought conditions continue to adversely affect the supply of agricultural produce, such as cabbage, Irish potato, tomato, sweet pepper, and yellow yam, resulting in consumers paying higher prices for these items.
To the foreign currency market now, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.54. $115.53 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $195.83, while it's costing $174.75 for the euro. And the JSE index lost 846 points today, while the junior market index declined by 75 points. Among the 34 winners were Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Pulse Investments, Elite Diagnostic, Access Financial Services, and Stanley Motor. The 59 decliners were led by Blue Power Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Margaritaville Turks, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, and Key Insurance Company. 16 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.